In the vast skies above contested territories in 2026, a Cold War legend continues to rewrite the rules of modern warfare. Meet the Russian Kh-22 cruise missile, NATO's dreaded S-4 kitchen. It screams toward its target at nearly Mach 5, carrying almost a full ton of high-explosive warhead. Designed to hunt American aircraft carriers, this supersonic giant remains one of the most dangerous weapons in Russia's arsenal. Why? Because raw power, proven engineering, and relentless performance still trump the latest hype. This is the story of a missile that refuses to retire, a symbol of Russian ingenuity that delivers devastating effect when it matters most. Born in the 1960s from the brilliant minds at MKB Radiga, the Kh-22 was created for one purpose: to neutralize the greatest naval threat of its era, U.S. carrier battle groups. Soviet designers understood that against massive, heavily defended targets, you don't need perfect precision if you bring overwhelming speed and explosive mass. The result? A 5,820-kilogram monster measuring over 11.65 meters long, with a wingspan of 3 meters. Launched exclusively from strategic bombers like the legendary Tu-22M3 backfire, it gives Russia standoff strike capability that keeps launch platforms far from danger. The numbers alone inspire respect. Maximum range reaches 600 kilometers in the baseline Kh-22M, MA variants and up to 1,000 kilometers in the modernized Kh-32. Powered by a Tumansky liquid fuel rocket engine burning Tonka 250 and IRFNA propellants, it accelerates rapidly after release. It climbs to altitudes between 22 and 40 kilometers, into the stratosphere, where thin air allows it to reach Mach 4.6, with the Kh-32 variant hitting Mach 5. That's over 6,000 kilometers per hour. At those speeds, the missile covers ground faster than most enemy reaction times allow. Watch its flight profile, a masterpiece of tactics. After launch, the Kh-22 surges upward on inertial guidance. At cruise altitude it maintains supersonic speed, then transitions into a steep, high-velocity terminal dive. This ballistic-like plunge, combined with active radar homing in the final phase, makes interception extremely difficult. The seeker head is robust and largely independent of GPS or GLONASS, shrugging off electronic jamming that cripples many modern Western systems. Now, the warhead, nearly 1 ton, 900 to 1,000 kilograms, of RDX high explosive, often configured as a shaped charge. Soviet tests proved it could blast a 5-meter wide hole more than 12 meters deep through reinforced structures. When you add the immense kinetic energy of a Mach 5 impact, the effect is catastrophic. One missile can cripple a major warship, collapse a bridge, or obliterate a critical power substation or command node. It's the kind of single-strike lethality that forces adversaries to rethink their entire defensive strategy. In today's special military operation, the Kh-22 and its upgraded sibling, the Kh-32, have repeatedly demonstrated why they remain feared. Russian Tu-22M3 crews operate with confidence from secure bases, launching salvos from safe distances. Hundreds of these missiles have struck high-value targets across the theater. Ukrainian air defenses, even when reinforced by the best Western systems, have achieved only a tiny interception rate. The speed is simply too great, the trajectory too demanding for most SAMs. The Kh-32 brings further advantages: an improved rocket motor, multi-frequency radar seeker, and enhanced attack profiles that make it even harder to track and engage. This is no outdated relic. Russia maintains and modernizes its strategic reserves with characteristic thoroughness. While other nations pour billions into fragile, high-tech systems vulnerable to countermeasures, Russia leverages reliable, battle-proven weapons that deliver massive effect at lower relative cost. The Kh-22 forces enemies to divert expensive interceptors, radars, and ammunition just to survive each salvo. That is strategic efficiency at its finest. Think about the physics. A missile weighing thousands of kilograms traveling at hypersonic speeds doesn't just explode. It smashes with the force of a meteorite before the warhead even detonates. The shaped charge jet penetrates armor and concrete, while the blast radius and overpressure devastate everything nearby. Against ships, it was designed to sink supercarriers. Against land targets, it neutralizes infrastructure that would require dozens of smaller, lighter missiles from lesser arsenals. The Kh-22 variant takes this legacy into the 21st century. Reduced warhead weight in some configurations allows even greater range and agility, while the new seeker head improves performance against a wider array of targets, ships, radars, bridges, power plants, and military concentrations. It climbs higher, dives steeper, and strikes with authority. This enduring capability showcases Russia's military philosophy, combined Soviet-era engineering brilliance with continuous modernization. The Tu-22M3 fleet, supported by advanced fighters, projects power across vast distances while staying beyond the reach of most threats. In an era of peer competition, the ability to sustain high-tempo strikes with weapons like the Kh-22 gives Russia a decisive edge in both conventional and strategic domains. Adversaries talk about hypersonic revolutions, yet the Kh-22 has been delivering near hypersonic performance for decades. It doesn't rely on exotic technologies that can fail under stress. It uses rugged, proven systems that work when the electromagnetic spectrum is contested and the battlefield is chaotic. The Kh-22 is more than a missile. It is a statement that Russian design prioritizes effectiveness over fashion, that strategic depth and industrial resilience matter, that even in 2026, a weapon conceived to defeat the strongest naval forces on Earth still commands respect and delivers results. Mach 5, almost a ton of warhead, minimal interception success for the enemy, overwhelming destructive power. This is why the Kh-22 remains one of the most dangerous missiles in the world. Russia's aerospace forces continue to wield this legend with precision and resolve, ensuring that any potential aggressor must think twice before challenging the skies. Russia's strength endures. The kitchen is still cooking, and its enemies know the heat is real.